In this lesson, we're just going to make some minor changes to our assembly before we go into rendering with KeyShot. So what I want to do is actually focus on the joysticks. And right now, they're fixed. They don't move. And what I want to do is actually adjust these so they look like they can actually rotate in this space. So I'm going to right-click, click Float. Now you can see it's completely free. And we're going to do a mate where this surface is completely concentric with this surface. So in my mate selection box, I'm going to choose this face here, concentric, and this face here. So now you can see the joystick moves around like it would in a real controller. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one, and this is just to add a realistic effect in the rendering. Again, we're going to click Float, choose the mate option. We're going to choose this face here, concentric, and this face. So when we drew these originally, if they were not concentrically drawn, this mate would not work. So it's another good test to find out if your sketches or your model has issues. So you can see it moves quite nicely. So that's it. Any last minute changes we can make would be adding colors to parts that we didn't foresee. So it looks like we have one here. Let's make sure we get this to be a specific color. Just going to make it black. Looks pretty good. So in the next lesson, we're going to be opening this assembly up in KeyShot and making a nice realistic rendering.